welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a DIY backdrop. I've seen this backdrop on Instagram before, but I can never find that specific like texture online, or the ones that I do find don't give the same result that I want. So I just decided to do a DIY, and this was pretty cheap. So if you guys are interested, please continue watching and don't forget to press the subscribe button down below. All right, so everything that I'm gonna be showing you guys will be in the description bar down below, so check that out. But all these things that I did get, the board, the glitter, and the glue, all I got from Hobby Lobby. The glitter was red, and but you don't have to necessarily pick red. And then the glue was just regular Elmer school glue. And also the glue gun. The glue gun I already got from Walmart a while back, and it was only like $6. They also have it in Hobby Lobby if you did need to pick it up for this specific project. And the trifold that I got, it was already red. I didn't have to do anything to it. And the main reason why I got the board red was because it is going to be glitter, and it is going to fall off eventually, because this project is like not for like a long-term thing. But I got it red, so if the glitter did fall off, it wouldn't be that noticeable when I still wanted to use it, when I still want to use it, basically, if that makes sense. So it won't really show any different color in the backdrop instead of, besides the red color, if that makes sense. So right now what I'm doing is, you guys don't mind me doing this weird shit with my mouth. It's a freaking bad habit. But right now I'm trying to close the gap where the trifold closes, mainly because I don't want, when if it does, I don't want it to close, because the glitter on that part will come off, and I don't want it to come off. So I just want it to stay straight. So basically I'm just closing it up right now, so it basically doesn't close. I mean, it still did move a little bit, but it didn't move as much as if it wasn't closed, if you guys get what I'm saying. But yeah, that's basically what I'm doing right now. I also forget to mention that I do have a plastic bags underneath this, and that's mainly because you guys see that I am doing it on carpet. If you are doing it on other like regular solid plat, you don't necessarily need the bag underneath it, but that's just to catch any type of glitter fall off, so it don't get stained in the carpet. And right now, all I did was I took the Elmer's glue and I just dropped it on there. You guys can do it a little more cleaner and with a brush, but honestly, it's glue. Eventually, when it dries, I just peeled it off, so it wasn't that big of a deal. I did it pretty messy, but for you, if you don't want it to be that messy, you could actually do it by parts. And yeah, but I wanted to, like, get it done quickly, so I just used my whole hand and just threw the glue on. Now, this glue does dries pretty quickly, but not really, since I am putting a lot of glue on it. But yeah, and you guys are going to see that I did accidentally stop recording. I stopped recording the most important part, which was putting the glue. And I don't know why I forgot to press play again, but you guys, I did forget. So but it was pretty simple. What I basically did was, after I finished like spreading out the glue everywhere, and when I meant everywhere, I meant everywhere, I just took the glitter, I opened it up. I didn't use the little sprinkly side. I used the big part, if that makes sense. I used the part that is like the sharing part. I don't know. But you guys get what I'm saying. Like, I used that part because the little glittering part we realized was taking too long and it was making it pretty patchy. So we just used the bigger end and we just basically spread it. So that part is very self-explanatory. So I'm sorry that I did forget to record that part or whatever, but yeah, but right now it's basically me showing you guys, like, I'm basically finished. I finished, and I'm just right now, I guess I was just checking to see if the glue, I mean, not the glue, the glitter stuck pretty well to the thing, and it, as you guys can see, it did. So you will have a lot of leftover glitter, and so basically it's gonna be, you're gonna have leftover glitter, so make sure you guys just pour the rest back inside the bottle, so just to not waste it. So just in case if you do have like more fallout later on, because the glitter is gonna spread everywhere, it's good to have it and just pour it on there. Now, another thing that I didn't do, but you guys should do if you guys do try this product, is to get glitter. I don't know, is it glitter cover? I'm not sure how to say it, but glitter sealer, which is gonna seal the glitter and it will prevent it from going all over the place. This is the finished product. I really love the outcome of it, minus all the little things that I didn't do, but I really loved it and it turned out so freaking pretty. And I know the pictures are gonna turn out really nice. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please make sure you press the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.